If you are watching this video, you are either freezing right now or you are roasting in your house because your heating or air conditioning is not working properly. You need fast service by trained professionals, so you were searching online. We are glad you found us because we can help. We could provide you with fast professional service at an affordable price. We believe in customer satisfaction and we are licensed and insured. Don't wait any longer. Just give us a call and we will be there right away and get it fixed as quickly as possible.